Bamm Bamm. It's at Trailside Bike Park in Park City. I've been on it in a long time. I did one pre-ride. I couldn't remember any of the jumps. Probably won't clear most of them because I'm still trying to get for speed, but do what you can, skip what you can. This I think is considered a double black up here. Oh, didn't do that one either. Chickened out. This is a whale tail. Up on the whale tail. Off the whale tail. Yeah. This one drop right here. Don't need a lot of speed, just enough. Table. Oh, yeah. Wall ride. Okay, stay down there long. I'll do the lower drop. Jump, I need more speed for. Yeah, I think if you rode this one a bunch, learn the speeds of all these. I've been here for about 5 years. So